Hey traders! Are you ready to level up your crypto game? Rock it whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Today we're diving into Pionex, the ultimate crypto exchange with built-in trading bots, an arbitrage bot, Pionex coin, futures trading, and so much more. Stick around because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, what makes Pionex stand out in the crowded crypto exchange market? Simple, it's one of the first platforms that fully integrates free, automated trading bots right into the system. That means you don't need external software, coding, skills, or even a PhD in trading. Just pick your bot, set your strategy, and let it work for you. Now, let's talk about the real stars of the show, the Pionex trading bots. Here are some of the top ones you need to know about. Heavy checkmarked grid trading bot, perfect for sideways markets, buying low and selling high automatically. Heavy checkmarked infinity grid bot, ideal for long-term bullish trends, maximizing profits as prices climb. Heavy checkmarked DCA dollar cost averaging bot, a favorite for steady investing with lower risk. Heavy checkmarked arbitrage bot, earn risk-free profits by taking advantage of price differences across markets. But wait, there's more. Pionex also has its own Pionex coin, Pion, which gives traders exclusive perks like lower trading fees and VIP features. Plus, if you're into leverage trading, their futures platform lets you go long or short with up to 100x leverage. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So, why should you choose Pionex? Here's the rundown. White heavy checkmark 16 plus free trading bots. White heavy checkmark ultra low fees, 0.05% per trade. White heavy checkmark safe and regulated, FinCEN MSB licensed. White heavy checkmark mobile and desktop friendly, trade anywhere, anytime. Ready to automate your trades and boost your profits? Click the link in the description to sign up for Pionex today and start trading smarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto trading strategies.